Hi, Shivam.
Hi, Elizabeth.
I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about the instruments we have here.
Yes, so all of these models here, they belong to our new power analyzer family, the NPA. Are you already familiar with them?
I know what a power analyzer is. I know it's a device that measures the flow of power through a device and can measure things like current, voltage, or total harmonic distortion. But I'm not familiar with the NPA specifically. Can you tell me a little bit about it and why there are 3 models of it?
Good question. So we have 3 models here, NPA 101, 501, and 701. And the NPA 101 is our basic power meter that can perform your basic power measurements. And also, one thing to notice is it comes without sensor inputs and also without BNC connectors. NPA 501 is a power analyzer that can perform advanced as well as graphical measurements. And the NPA 701 is our compliance tester. So it can also allow conformance testing for standby power as well as harmonics.
Okay, that makes sense. But does that mean that the 701 model isn't able to perform the same measurements as the 101 or the 501?
No, so 701 has all the capabilities as 101 and 501. In addition to all this, it can also do the compliance testing. So I can show you directly on the instrument.
Thank you, that'd be great.
So here you can choose the standard that you want, and we have the standards 50564, 62301, and also 61000 in the device.
Great, that sounds pretty simple to get started, but I know that if I wanted to test the power of, say, a commercial device, I wouldn't be able to plug it in directly to the instrument. I would have to use some type of adapter, right?
Exactly. For that purpose, we have an adapter here which is connected to our device there, and we have it here, European adapter. But I'm very happy to inform you that we also think about the customers from other regions and countries. So we also have 3 more adapters there for the US.
Perfect.
And also for the UK and China.
Awesome. I'll need that US version. Thank you. And I was looking at the brochure of the NPA power analyzer family, and I saw that it's able to do some measurements like total average power or do waveform function analysis. Would you be able to show me what one of these measurements would look like on the device?
Exactly. So let's start with NPA 101. So here we have NPA 101, and as you can see, we can display up to 10 measurement parameters simultaneously on the screen. And you can also configure these parameters. So that's also very advantageous. Also, we have an integrator mode here. So we have a real-time integrator in NPA 101, and you can configure it to suppose work in the manual mode, and then later you can also start and stop. And then you can also see the accumulated power consumption of the device over an integration time. Let's now move to NPA 501. Could you please switch on the device for me? And now here, it's in the numeric mode, and I would like to have a graphical view. That means I would like to observe voltage, current, and power waveforms simultaneously with respect to the time. And for this purpose, I'm going to use the waveform function. And here we have all the 3 waveforms simultaneously being displayed on the screen. We also have other functions that can be chosen depending on the requirement, like harmonics, trend chart, and also inrush analysis can be done.
Thank you, Shivam. That was really helpful.
You're welcome, Elizabeth.
If you want more information on the NPA family of power analyzers, please visit our website.